What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Mama Angie. Now I'm doing recipes now, so check out my recipes on YouTube. And if you're new to this channel, thank you for subscribing. I do travel blogs as well as plus size try-on hauls. I give you guys budget tips on traveling and more. So if you're new here, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can get all the upcoming vlogs that I put out. And again, please comment. Let's get into our morning routine. So I'm using the Shea Moisturizer Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It strengthens and restores. And if you watch my blogs, you can see my baby hair is growing. Now, normally I don't have sides, do not have sides. But this stuff is really growing my hair. I'm not putting in gel anymore, not as much as I used to. I'm using this frequently. I've also been using the 10-in-1 Hair Growth Oil made with 100% organic oils. So check that out. So right now I'm doing my eyebrows. Now eyebrows is hard for me. I've watched like a few videos and I still can't get it right, but I'm gonna keep trying, and I'm influencing you guys to keep trying. Alright, so this is my Disney theme eyeshadow kit. I got this from Ulta Beauty Cosmetics, and I'll put the link down low for that. Now this shade works beautifully on my face. This is MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15, Board Spectrum SPF 15E. This works amazing on my face. I just love it. And I got this from the same store that I got my eyeshadow from. All these products are affordable for you. These are at least under 40 bucks. This is also a MAC Studio product. This works great on my face. Comes out beautiful. However, I do wonder if at the top, it kind of doesn't blend in at the top. So I may want to change the color on this, because I do have a dark spot on my forehead. So I'm trying to get something to help with that also. So I'll let you guys know the update on that. So I was trying the Palmer's Skin Care Cream for dark spots, but I didn't see a difference. And I was using it for about 3 months. This is so funny, you guys. I did not know how many different products I needed just for my face. I mean, you have the concealer, you have the eyeshadow, you have the liner, you have the foundation. Like, it's so many different products you need. So now going over on different YouTubes and watching people do their makeup, I'm kind of figuring it out that it is a lot of different products for just your face. I had a lot of people ask me, how do you put on eyelashes? Like, that is so freaking hard for me. Well, it's hard for me too, but I do know how to put on the eyelashes. So on the next tutorial, I'll show you guys that. This is me showing you guys my lip gloss which is probably like $2 at your local beauty store. So this is a natural look for me. Everything blends in perfectly, not too much makeup, and it's perfect. How do you guys like it? Alright, so before I put this on, I do wash my face with Olay Vitamin C Peptide 24-Hour Brightening Facial Cleanser. So this keeps my face nice and shiny without putting makeup on. I love the way it smells. It smells like watermelon, fruit, and it just has a good feel. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my hair. Just got through rinsing it out. Getting ready to take these braids out my hair from the style that I had before. Okay, so I try everything out before I let you guys know what I'm using. I don't want to give you a bad product. So my shampoo and my conditioner will be updated on the next vlog. Alright, you guys, so we're coming to the end of the vlog, and I do have something before you go. If you're subscribed to me, check this out. I have a couple of items that I can't fit, and my daughter can't fit either. We can't even get a leg in. So these items here, I'm going to gift them to a lucky winner. So I have shapewear, I have a beautiful shirt, and a new pair of jeans. I mean, the name tags are still on them. I have not worn them. They are new. I just can't fit them. So if you are interested and you want me to ship it to you, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll pick a lucky winner by the end of this week. Today is the 14th, Saturday. So by next week, I'll pick a winner. So subscribe if you want these gifts, all right? So this is a jacket from Ross. And I think this is so cute, but I cannot fit it. This is, it says it's a size, it doesn't even have a size 124. Okay, Ross, I don't know what's up with that, but this is the coat. It's like you wrap it over like a nice dress, or like a nice sundress, tight sundress, and it's from Thrill. It says Thrill, so it still has the tag on it. I think it's nice, it's long. I love this, but I can't fit this, so this is going to you guys as a gift. So here's another item. This is from Shein. Still has the tag on it. Also, this is a 5X, but I can tell you this is not a 5X. Like I said, this is more like a 2X. This shirt is bomb. I love this shirt. So whoever gets it is going to be lucky to get it. I'll ship it to you for free. Thank you for subscribing. This is the second, the next item. This is a pair of jeans. And this is from Burlington Coat Factory. You can see the tag is still on it. This is a size 24. So check them out. You think you can fit them? These are brand new, haven't been worn. The leg haven't even been in them. This is another prize. Let me know what you want in the comments, and I'll send it to you for free. This is the next item. It says 6X. I do not think this is a 6X for me. I cannot fit this, and I wear a 3X. This is from Shape LLX. This is the shapewear. Has the ruffles at the bottom. the connecting at the stomach and up. And this is the last gift, you guys. And it has the straps.